Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button. This is not Don't Press the Button. Run! Let's go! Run! Oh. Press the button! Press the button! Oh, run! Oh my, try to keep dying! Oh, still. No! Oh, I guess it's correct. How many A's are in the future? Oh, what the heck? Oh, hammer. Let's go. Give me. Bang! 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 Yes! Yes, I'm going to win! Oh, no. No, she won! I was so close. I was actually so close. Yes! Wait, no! No! Give me! Oh, slap. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Go away. Thank God. Fake.
Yummy.
Fake. What? Is it broken? I thought the game was broken,
Yummy.
but this one is
Yummy.
a real one.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Oh yeah, no, for sake. Oh, this. Yeah, no. Let me down. So annoying. Oh no. Get away!
Yummy.
me out. Yeah, where I can get out. Oh yeah. God, fight! 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 Okay, fight! Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. No! Oh, this is my favorite. Give me that ball! Give me the box. Give me the box. No! Give me. Give me! Do I have to start jumping? Ah, I got it. This is so annoying right now. Come here. Give me. Give me back. Yes, let's go. Oh my gosh. Give me the coins. Give me the coins. Give me the coins. Yes. I'm still get a key. Okay.
Nom nom nom.
Oh, not this stupid stuff again. Oh my gosh. Let's go! Even if I was not even doing good, I still won. Let's go.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
What? Now I'm gonna get all the resources for to Lion Gunship. I got the eggs, guys. Oh no, you don't, man. I'm the one. Yeah, let's go. I'm the one that read all the ingredients. Got everything. Get the milk. Let's go. Stop being in a hurry. No! I was so close. Bring that food now. Make it. So, make it. Make. Yeah.
Yummy.
Okay.
Yummy. Yummy.
A new fresh cake.
Yummy.
Oh, I remember this. After I stopped playing this game. Remember this thing? Yeah, banana. Yeah, that's up. Yeah, so I do this 2 times. It's possible to actually do this 2 times, but I'm bad now, so I can't do it 2 times again. I have to only do it once. Oh my god! Yes. I don't have enough time to go again.